Hey everybody, Matt Pisarcik with Razor Emporium. As many of you know, last Saturday we hosted an Arizona Shavers meetup at our Phoenix, Arizona shop location. Customers, enthusiasts, as well as fellow artisans and retailers came together to enjoy our shared passion of wet shaving. We were lucky enough to be joined by Lee and Corey from another wet shaving company in Arizona, Wet Shaving Products. We both entered the wet shaving world at similar times, and it's been a joy to watch his company grow. We had a huge turnout, and for the first time in nearly a decade, I was able to present the full Razor Emporium Gillette collection. Some never-before-seen prototypes, new old stock, and mint collector's pieces that I get questions about all the time. I really enjoyed being able to share it with other wet shavers that love collecting vintage Gillette as much as me. The large group got to see our building, where I gave a detailed walkthrough of each workstation, including our custom printing area, soap making station, technical workbenches, laser engraving process, straight razor service area, and finally, the electroplating laboratory. My favorite part of the day was the first time I've ever demonstrated electroplating in our lab. That room has been a large investment of money and time, and I'm so proud of the scale and automation we've been able to achieve. I walked our guests through nickel and 24 karat gold plating, and it was so awesome to answer questions and watch the reactions. DJ, our soap maker, then gave a soap making demonstration, and attendees were able to take home the soap that she made right there before their eyes. Many people are surprised to hear we make all of our soaps, aftershave splashes, balms, and other beard care products in-house. Keep an eye out, because we plan to add a lot more in the near future. And just before we headed to lunch, we drew prizes for the free raffle. Huge thanks to Edwin Jagger, who donated a complete shaving set with leather bag for the giveaway. We had a few surprise winners, and hopefully they enjoy their Rex Supply Co. razor, Rhodium Revamp service, and Wet Shaving Products soap bundle. You know, wet shaving is more than a hobby or a chore you have to labor through. We are so lucky to have uncovered a community of diverse individuals with a broad range of stories and preferences. I know I discovered this way of shaving because I had sensitive skin and terrible irritation after every shave, but it's grown to be more than shaving for me, and for that I can thank all of you. Cheers, and I can't wait for the next one. Hope to see you there.